How to use GearUp Booster in Roblox Mobile. Roblox Mobile can be fun, but lag and unstable ping ruin the experience. GearUp Booster claims to fix that. Let's test if it really works. So go ahead and open up your App Store and then head over to the search tab and search for GearUp Booster. Now on the results, go ahead and click on it and click on this get button to start installing the application on your device. So once you have installed this application, you can go ahead and proceed on opening it up on your device. So make sure that the Roblox application is installed as well on your device. Now from here, click on continue again. And then once you're on your dashboard, you will find the list of applications that you have on your device. So from here, you can go ahead and select the applications you want to boost. Now, if you want to boost Roblox, simply select boost at the right side of Roblox and then go ahead and select the server which you want to use for this. And that is how you can basically use GearUp Booster in Roblox Mobile.